Hello and welcome back to Mackie's Signature Kitchen. Today I'm making red sniper. There is nothing like a perfectly seasoned, crispy fried fish to bring the family to the table. Let's get started. Start with your fresh red sniper, clean and ready. Mix seasoning, a piece, sour orange, black pepper to taste, garlic powder, red pepper flakes, dried parsley. Season your APs, add a splash of sour orange. Next, add a teaspoon of black pepper, red pepper flakes, dried parsley, and garlic powder to your APs. Mix everything together really well. Add some mixed seasoning and mix well. Then pour that seasoned APs all over your fish. Make sure every part is fully coated. Cover it and let it marinate for about 1.5 to 2 hours. And this is where magic begins. When your fish is fully marinated, heat up your oil in a frying pan. On a cutting board, add all-purpose flour and season it with your favorite spices. Then coat your fish completely. Do not miss a spot. Once your oil is hot, carefully drop the fish in and let it fry on each side until it's golden, crispy, and cooked to your liking. Once ready, take it out, and now it's time to have fun. Let's plating. To finish it off with some fresh parsley, a few lime wedges, and don't forget that Haitian pickles on the side. This is how we do it at Mackie's Signature Kitchen. Simple, flavorful, and unforgettable. If you need that pickles recipe, make sure you check out my page, and don't forget to like, comment, and follow for more recipes the Mackie's Signature Kitchen way.